Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to speed up samples in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of your instruments. You can even find your audio recorder and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can get started with speeding up samples that we have in GarageBand. So the first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up the audio recorder option right here. This is going to open up this new recording menu where at the top of the screen we have the big red circle to enable us to start recording and so on. So what I'm going to do is to go right here into the upper left corner and click this edit mode button in the middle. That's going to enable us to open up this mixing mode where we can find all the tracks that we have. As you can see here, I have my drum track, my keyboard, audio recorder, and so on. So now guys, let's go ahead and say we want to implement a sample. If you want to import a sample, all you have to do is go right here into the upper right corner and click this button in the middle. That's going to enable you to browse items from the Files app. Here you want to go ahead and select your sample that you want to use, and after you have added your sample, it's going to appear right here in your tracks. So guys, all you have to do if you want to speed up the sample, as you can see, I have my track right here. I'm going to tap on it, and after tapping on it, it's going to open up this menu where we can take a look at all the options we have. One of them is going to be called settings. So by clicking on settings, guys, you can see this is now going to open up this settings menu where all the options we have, and one of the options are speed. So as you can see, we have the speed option right here, so we can reduce the speed, speed it up, to set it to whatever we want, and this is how you can speed up any track you have. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.